Hello guys, welcome back to another things. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to factory reset or hard reset your BLU M8L tablet. So if you're interested, let's get started. So how do you exactly factory reset this? Just in case you don't know your pin here and basically you've forgotten your password. So what you need to do is you want to make sure that you turn off your tablet first. So you want to press and hold the power button at the side here and just wait for it to basically turn off. Now, once it's actually turned off, what we need to do is you want to go ahead, basically press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now, keep holding this for about like 8 to 10 seconds, and usually speaking, this will basically boot you up into recovery mode. Now, in recovery mode, this is what you should be seeing. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to use the volume up and volume down button to navigate the settings here. So you want to use the volume up or down button to go to wipe data or factory reset or something similar to this. Now, you want to use your power button to select that option. And once you've selected this option, it's going to ask you, are you really sure you want to basically wipe your user data? Go ahead and use the up and down button here to select yes and press the power button to select it. Now, once you've selected, in this case, it will start the recovery or the reset process here. But once it's actually done, you can go ahead and choose reboot system now, and again, use the power button to select it. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.